DS diving here February 13th at Babe. She was unlocked and I needed to take a look at your crank for your swim keel. It's actually in good shape. I have gone ahead and tried to feed this down a little bit, and I did loosen her. It may be sticking out there. It feels like it's catching on something, but I'm about to go do the hull clean, and if it's sticking out the bottom enough, I'm going to grab it and get it reattached. If it's not, after I've done this, we will need to remove these and get it pushed through the hole, and make sure that if this is one of the systems with a little roller in here, that it's lined up on the roller correctly before we're all closed up and put back together. You may need a little bit more cable, but we also may be able to make this work without losing too much function in your swim keel. DS diving, thank you.